Hi guys, we have busy improving ResearchBase Pro. This week we published an update for our suggestion expander to improve usability and functionality. And we spent a lot of time to create something completely new, a beautiful event calendar with special focus on quick niche research and idea creation. If you don't want to miss future ResearchBase tutorials or updates, just subscribe to this channel. You have any questions or feedback, just post it in the comment section below. At first, let's talk about the improved keyword suggestion expander. As you can see, when you now hover over a keyword, additional buttons appear for you to quickly choose what to do. Let us explain what these buttons do in detail. The first button will add it to the keyword base, the second will copy it to the clipboard, the third will add it to the search form, and the fourth button will start the search now. That was the first improvement. Some of these buttons are only available when you are logged in, that is free, and all of them are available for you as a Pro member. We hope this update improves the look and feel and makes our suggestion expander even better. But now let's talk about the brand new event calendar. We've been busy adding an event calendar to get niche ideas right in time 2 or 3 months before the actual event, so you can do your research and create designs before it's too late. You can see events that are 2 months away on our research page, just underneath the search form, and we created another page with all events as well. But the real magic appears when you hover your mouse above an event, where you can see additional options appear so you can quickly do your research. You can use the suggested keywords just like you can in the expander. And if you like the vector graphic we choose for this event, you can even get the link to an additional graphic resource where you can download or purchase this file to use for your own designs. As you can see, we have added an additional link for Google, Wikipedia, or an official site to learn more about this event. And this will help you to understand the event more. Now let's take a look to the All Events page. In the following weeks, we will add more events and more functions to the calendar. Let us know if you have any ideas or feature requests or what we could add. This event calendar has many features that you can only find in our tool. The days until, keywords, and the link for more info are ideal for your preparation for new niches and events. What do we want to achieve with the event calendar? We want you to create more new things and not just copy existing designs based on the BSR. You can now tackle different niches in time and do research for them early. So you also place yourselves early in the various marketplaces. That's it. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.